Good morning, students. Let's start our second video of Microsoft Word Part 2. So the first topic that we are going to discuss is page formatting. Page formatting of Microsoft Word includes the page size, page orientation, whether it is portrait or landscape, page margin, and page design. Page size. To change the page size, go to Page Layout tab and click on Size option under Page Setup group. List of sizes will appear from desired page size from where desired page size can be chosen. By default, we use A4 size. For more settings, click on More Page Size option. Page Setup dialog box will appear from where desired page settings can be done. Page orientation, whether it is portrait or landscape. To change the page orientation, go to Page Layout tab and click on Orientation button. Select the desired orientation from the available options. As we have discussed about margin, the margin is the distance between the page border and the text, and the page margin can be set by two ways. One is by using ruler bars, another one is using page setup dialog box. Through ruler bar. To set the page margin through ruler bar, move the mouse over the area where the white ruler changes to gray. You can see from here we can change the margin. Through Page Layout dialog box, select the Page Layout tab, click on Custom Margin button under the Page Setup group. Page Setup dialog box will appear. Click on Margin tab and make a desired changes. Now a question. Dash represent a negative indent measurement. Yes, the answer is 1.5. Let's see the explanation. Indent measurement is negative when it is preceded by a negative or minus sign before its unit. Here, minus 1.5 is preceded by a minus sign. That is why it is a negative indent. Header and footer. The header and a footer option is used to add some information that appear at the top and bottom margin of each page in a document. It may be text or it may be some graphic. Steps to insert header and footer in document. Go to Insert, go to Header and Footer. A design menu will appear with header and footer. From here, you can give a header as well as footer. You can insert a image from design menu also. Inserting symbol. To insert a symbol, under Insert menu, go to Symbols. A symbol will appear in front of you. Select the desired symbol and click on Insert. And as you click on Insert, that desired symbol will appear on your document. Let's see an quiz. To insert page number at the bottom margin of a document, the option of the header and footer group is used. Yes, it is page number. Let's see the explanation. Page number feature is used to insert page number in a document. You can insert it at the top or at the bottom. It's all your choice. So students, this is all for today. Keep yourself safe. Stay at home. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.